Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Savio, and today's video I'm going to show you how to use a deep cleaning nose strip. So stick around to find out more. So first things first, that is the nose strip. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's a kind of like a tin encasing. All you gotta do is, and it's written over here, open here. So over here with the arrow pointed here, open here. It is slitting over here right there. Okay, can you see that? Can you see that? It's pulling and pull it halfway out. Perfect. Now all you gotta do is just release it, and that's what it looks like. It looks like a band-aid. Okay, that's what it looks like. It has this kind of like a filament over here, as you can see. I'm not sure that it's facing the light, but that's what it looks like. This is the rough surface. Underneath this is what is going to stick to your nose, okay? That has a bit of kind of a glue to it. So all you have to do is, first things first, it has, just loosen it a little bit. Can you see these kind of grooves over here? Loosen that. And then there should be another one over here. Loosen that so that it forms, it's nice and snug to your nose. And then also there's another one over here. Loosen this. And just twist it slowly and lightly. You don't have to twist it too hard or it's going to tear. Okay, so there you have 4. So that's what it's going to look like. So this is going to be a nose. Okay, here, like so. And like so. So what you get is something that looks like this. Okay, so look at that. Look at that. Okay, and here, similarly over here, one here, one here. So that's what it's going to look like. And here is that where you're going to release. Okay, very important, you have to wet your nose, otherwise this is not going to stick. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my nose. Okay, very important to do that, otherwise this won't stick. Check your nose is nice and wet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this. Okay, so this is the front, and I have to apply it to the sticky surface. Okay, so as you can see, this is peeling off. This is the smooth surface, and so you can see this come out from here. That's what I've done. Okay, and I'm gonna apply it with the shape of my nose. Okay, that like so. So I have to put it exactly. I'm gonna look at the camera. I'm not sure you can see. Okay, so this. Make sure it takes the shape of your nose. Just try and pulling it down. Just make it stick nice. And this is what it should look like. And I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes for it to dry. And it's best not to keep touching it after you've placed it on the nose. I mean, of course you can adjust it, but it's gonna feel very gluey, okay? It's just got a lot of glue on it. All I'm doing is just trying to adjust it and make sure it sticks and is snug to my nose. But for now, I'm just gonna wait for it for like 15 minutes and I'll be back. All right, 15 minutes are up and it's gonna feel really weird. It's gonna feel like something has been stitched to your nose, because when it solidifies and gets stiff, wow, it feels very strange, a very strange sensation, as in like you can't even, as soon as you move or cringe, it starts, feeling really different and weird. So I'm gonna pull it out really slow. Both sides, not just one side. You can see how stiff it is. It hurts a little bit, but hey, it's not such pain that you can't take. Oh yeah, it's already pulling this section. I can feel the pull, but it's good pull because it needs to do deep clean. Wow, and look at that. And it's gross, but hey, that does a fantastic job. I'm not sure you can see it, but my pores are clean. Really was in need of one. And if you feel it hasn't done a good job, or you still feel like your pores need to be clean, you can use a second strip. Do the same procedure again. Wash your nose, and after you wash your nose, all you gotta do is make sure it's wet, okay, and doesn't have any glue from the previous one, and repeat the whole procedure again. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe my nose now. because there's a little bit of that glue that gets stuck to it. But that's how you do it. Okay, my nose feels so smooth at the moment. It's insane. It just feels like the skin is so smooth. It feels really different after this deep clean, and different in a nice way. Don't really know if you can actually see the difference, but it is pretty darn good, I've got to tell you. Alright guys, so that's how you do it. Thanks for sticking around. If you made it, sticking around, no pun intended, sticking around. If you made it to the end of this video. And do subscribe to my channel. It's 8181 How To. Until next time, you take care and hope to speak to you in my next video. Bye for now.